Display scale. The Syntral S300 has 3 different possibilities to show the measurement value. As a default, it's shown in percentage. The moment it's 2.9%, here seen at the percentage symbol, where 0% equals 4 milliamp and 100% equals 20 milliamp. Now, let's change from percentage to milliamp. In order to do that, we go to the parameter 1. We take the cursor to the right and we increase from 0 to 1. We save and we go back to the measurement mode. Now we can see 5.25 milliamp, and every now and then it shows OL. OL. That means open loop. This means that the milliamp loop is not closed. As we would now connect a multimeter and close the loop, this OL is changed into MMA. You can see it here. So that means now the multimeter is connected, or PLC is connected, or whatever means you have to close your milliamp loop. All right, put that back and we'll change back to open loop. Okay, good. The third way is to show the measurement value in milligram per cubic meter. In order to do that, we go again here, parameter 1, take the cursor to the right, change from 1 to 2, we press enter, and we go back to the measurement loop. So at the moment we are measuring here 105 milligram per cubic meter, and we can see that by mmg. It's a bit cryptic, but it's clear. Let's wait one more time. mmg, milligram per cubic meter. Note, in order to show milligram per cubic meter, it's essential that you first change the parameters 11, 12, 13, and 14 according to your calculated parameters A and B. And then you also need to change parameter 10 to value 2, enable milligram calibration. After you have done that, your device is ready to go and show milligram per cubic meter. Note, whatever you change, it will not change your milliamp scale if you change anything on the milligram per cubic meter.